Greetings to all. We are going to see about the dynamics lab experiments of the Hartnell governor, and these are objectives of the dynamics laboratory. And this objective is to understanding and knowledge of kinematics of machines and dynamics of machines. And the aim of experiments of the Hartnell governor is to determine the controlling force of the governor and draw the following characteristic curves. And the apparatus required for Hartnell governor: universal governor apparatus, non-contact type tachometer. And the governors are generally used to regulate or controlling the speed of the engine based on the varying levels of the loads at the output. They are used to regulate the speed of engine, which takes the fact of the fuel injected is based on the speed variation, and based on the speed variation the supply of the fuel may vary to control the regulating the speed of engine. And the Hartnell governor is a spring controlled governor. Two bell crank levers, each carrying a ball at one end and other at rollers, are available, and the rollers fit into the groove in the sleeve, and the frame is attached to the governor of spindle, hence rotate with it. A helical spring in compression provides equal downward force on the two rollers through a collar on the sleeve. When we increase in the speed, and the radius of rotation of the balls increases, and the rollers are lifted and the sleeve against the spring force. When we decrease on the speed, sleeve move downwards with the spring force. The movement of the sleeve is transferred to throttle valve to supply the fluid. And this figure shows that the Hartnell governor, and the video you can understand very clearly about the Hartnell governor setup. When we increase the speed, and the radius of rotation of the balls also increased, and the sleeve moves downward upwards of the direction. When we increase the speed, it moves upward direction. When we decrease the speed, it moves downward direction of the sleeve. And the speed is measured by means of tachometer. And these are all the formulas for calculating the values of Hartnell governor: height alpha, radius of rotation, angular velocity, and controlling force. And this is a procedure to take the readings of Hartnell governor, to arranging the setup and tightening the bolts and nuts properly, and switch on the main supply, and to increase the speed and decrease the speed, to measure the values, note down the readings for the sleeve position and the speed for initial and lift. And the speed of the motor is measured by using a tachometer. When we increase the speed, steps suitable sleeve movement and note down the readings of the sleeve displacement based on the corresponding speed. All the readings are entered in the tabular or observation table, and slow down the governor and then switch off the main supply. And finally draw the plots between speed with sleeve displacement, force with radius of rotation. And this is a tabulation for the Hartnell governor: speed, sleeve displacement, radius of rotation, angular velocity, and controlling force. And speed 417 rpm, sleeve displacement 0.005 meter, and radius of rotation 0.108, and angular velocity 43.66, and controlling force 19.20 kgf. And this is for the model calculation of the values of tabular column. All the readings can be taken and calculated by using model calculation and formulas. R values, the omega values, and then controlling force 19.21 kg. And after calculating all the values and tabulating the values, and from these values we have to draw the characteristic curves for the cardinal governor. And thank you for patient listening and watching this video.